Okay guys, I am going to be starting on a purse charm for a special friend. So I have my bottom part, which is going to be a Cinderella carriage. I have all my beads. I have, where's my other, oh here they are, sorry guys. These, I love to hang these off. And I have my rope, chain, my jump rings, my head pins, and I am all set to go on the snowy night. So the first thing I always do is start off with my huge clip on the top, and I have my focal point on the bottom, and then I judge how many will go from there. If I see that it's way too big and too long, then I will start cutting and then readjust. So now I'm going to start on my bead charm. So here I have started my bead charms. And I have some more to go, and then I will start putting them on the chain. Alrighty, so now I'm going to start putting it together. And this is how it looks. I love it. I love the sound. I love the little princess carriage. I love the bling. It is just absolutely beautiful. So I hope that you like this, Diane. And I really enjoyed making it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.